But this car could be systematic, hydromatic, ultramatic. Why could be greased lightning?
Grease lightning.
Get some overhead lifters and 4-barrel quads, oh yeah.
Keep talking, won't